One of the biggest mistakes that I see being made by businesses and e-commerce businesses in general is they want to send emails that are fancy. And the problem with that is you have graphics, you have HTML, you have images that you want to include, you have 3 or to 5 or even 10 different links. You have like a little shopping cart inside of your email. No wonder why your email's not getting delivered. Think about this. When you look at your promo tab, what's in there? Best Buy, Target, these big box stores, right? So think about it. If we add images, a whole bunch of links, a lot of HTML, we're probably going to land in the spam folder or the promo tab. So what should we do? Send less images and send less links. So try this. Send an email that doesn't have any of that. Just send it with maybe 1 or 2 links and see if that increases your open rate. Then you'll be able to tell if you've increased your deliverability. Give it a shot. That's a tip for you today. Now listen, if you want some additional tips, if you want help building your email list, go ahead and check out our email list building playbook. That's a 100-page guide that we give to all of our private clients, all of our students. You can grab a copy over at emaillistplaybook.com. Go ahead, grab a copy. I think you'll enjoy it.